Thank you for signing in today. We are going to be working tomorrow with adding integers with different signs. I want to talk about two different ways that we are going to model this. The first is using a number line. I have this number line here. I can model any problem as long as I know which direction to move in. So if I have something like -4 plus 3, I start at -4. That's my first number. And then I'm adding a positive number, so I'm going to the right. I move 3 steps, and that gets me to -1, which is the answer. We can do the same thing if we are, let's say we have 2 plus -4. We can do the same thing, but now since we're adding a negative, we are moving in the other direction. We're going left. So we start at 2. We're moving 4 spaces to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. We end up at -2. So the answer to this problem is -2. The important thing to remember if you're using a number line is when adding a positive, you move to the right. When adding a negative, you move to the left. The other way we're going to be modeling adding integers with different signs is using our integer chips. So we have chips. We know that yellow stands for positive and red stands for negative. We looked at this a little bit in the hands-on activity today. If I had, let's go back to the original problem, -4 plus 3, I would show that using the chips by having 4 red ones for the -4 and 3 yellow ones for the +3. Now, we talked about a 0 pair being a red one and a yellow one. So we have -1 and +1. Those give us 0. So we can take those pairs off one at a time. So I can take a red and a yellow away, a red and a yellow away, a red and a yellow away. That leaves us with -1. And that's the answer. That's the same answer we got when we did it on the number line. If we look at the other problem we did, we had 2 plus -4. So to show that using number chips, I'd start with +2 and I'd have -4. Okay, again, anytime we have a 0 pair, we can take it out. So I can take out a yellow and a red, a yellow and a red. What we're left with is -2, which is the answer, and that's good because that's what we got when we were using the number line as well.